Okay, it's October 5, year 2023. Okay, I'm trying to repair this membrane keyboard. This membrane keyboards come from a US made ThreadMill. Okay, there's a problem with the uh, ThreadMill. It's a stuck keyboard. Okay, so I was able to troubleshoot it and finally found that this membrane keyboard is defective. So it's very difficult to repair this kind of a membrane keyboard because it's easily get damaged because of it just use a very flimsy switches. Okay, so I was able to reverse engineering this keyboard. This is composed of this is just like a ordinary keypad. There's a 9 pin 1 to 9, but the 1 and the 9 pin is not used. Okay, so there's a it's only using a 7 wire from 2 to 8. So and this is will form a 3 column and 4 rows. Okay, so once I draw this trace this keyboard, and here is the diagram. Okay, so there are those circle is a switch, individual switch. Okay, walk, up, down, jog, run, stop, start, high, low, up, down, and mid. Okay, so these keys represent this each keyboard. Okay, so instead of repairing this one, I'm sure it will eventually damage again once I repair. So instead of using this one, I'm build a new keyboard. So this is the new keyboard. So my plan is to just overlay using the existing keyboard. There. See? Back to its original condition. And I used a much better keys. This is a tactile keys. Use most in most electronics. Okay, so I just redraw it and rewire it. Look, it's quite complicated, but it works. I individually tested it using a continuing tester, and later we'll test it whether it will work. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.